Parenting is no small feat, but what if I told you that AI could make it easier? From saving time to managing schedules, today I'm revealing the secrets to using AI-powered tools to simplify your parenting journey. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and hacks for parents. AI isn't just for tech enthusiasts, it's becoming a game changer for parents. Whether it's managing chores, helping with schoolwork, or tracking health, AI-powered tools can lighten your load and give you more time to focus on what really matters. What's one thing you wish technology could solve in your parenting journey? Let me know in the comments below. First up, let's talk about virtual assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. These devices can help you set reminders for school drop-offs, meal prep, or playdates. You can even integrate them with smart home devices to control lights, locks, or baby monitors hands-free. Do you already use a virtual assistant at home? Drop your favorite commands in the comments. For school-age kids, AI can be a lifesaver when it comes to homework. Tools like ChatGPT or Socratic by Google can answer questions, explain concepts, and help kids learn in a fun and interactive way. These apps are perfect for busy parents who might not always have the time to sit down and tutor. Which subject do you think your kids could use AI help with? Let me know below. Let's face it, meal planning can be a headache. AI-powered meal planners like Yumly or Mayalime can create personalized recipes based on your family's preferences and dietary needs. These apps can even generate grocery lists to save you time. Some tools sync with grocery delivery services, so you can skip the store altogether. If meal planning stresses you out, give one of these apps a try and let me know how it works for you. For new parents, smart baby monitors with AI capabilities like Nanit or Tsuba AI are a dream. These devices analyze your baby's sleep patterns, breathing, and even their movements. Real-time notifications keep you updated and give you peace of mind, whether you're in the next room or away from home. Would this kind of tech give you peace of mind? Let me know in the comments. Finally, we have AI-powered scheduling tools like Cozy or TimeTree. These apps sync family calendars, set reminders, and even suggest the best times for activities based on everyone's schedule. They're a must-have for busy families trying to balance school, work, and extracurriculars. Have you tried any scheduling apps? Share your favorites with us. There you have it, 5 AI tools to make parenting easier and more manageable. From meal planning to homework help, AI is changing the game for families everywhere. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with another parent, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to simplify your life. Until next time, happy parenting and enjoy the journey with a little AI magic by your side.